Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to control your animation sequence in Canva. If you've ever wanted your presentations to stand out, add a touch of movement, or just look a bit more polished, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add, sequence, and preview animations and transitions so your slides don't just inform, they impress. Let's dive right in. So first things first, head over to Canva.com. If you haven't logged in already, take a second to do that now, I'll wait. Now from the homepage, go ahead and click that big Create a Design button. For today's walkthrough, we're going to select Presentation from the menu. I recommend this option because it gives us the best layout to explore both text and design elements, plus it's the most common use for slide animations. With your blank presentation open, start by focusing on just the first page. Think of this as your playground for experimenting with animations. Go ahead and add a few elements, maybe some text, a shape or two, perhaps even an image. The more variety you have here, the more you'll get out of practicing the animation controls, trust me. Next up, let's talk about actually adding those animations. Click on any element you want to animate, say, a text box or an image. At the top of the screen, you'll spot an Animate button. Click on that and you'll see a list of both entrance and exit effects, things like fade, pop, or rise. This is where the magic happens. Choose an animation that feels right for that part of your presentation. Remember, you can animate every element one by one, which is great if you want certain things to appear before others, almost like telling a story on your slide. Now, here's a little pro tip. After you animate all the elements on your page, take a second to review the order they'll appear in. Sometimes, especially if you add a bunch of things quickly, Canva might animate them in a sequence you weren't expecting. If things look out of place, don't worry. To make sure everything comes in the right order, click Animate and look for the timeline or sequence controls. Here you can drag and drop elements to reorder how they animate, making sure that maybe your title comes in before your photos or your background fades in gently before your main points. Once you're happy with the animations for each element, try adding a slide transition. Slide transitions are a little different. They play as you move from one slide to the next, setting the overall mood for your presentation. To add a transition, click between slides in the slide tray, then look for the Add Transition button above. Pick something subtle here like dissolve or slide, so it complements your element animations instead of distracting from them. Alright, after you've arranged everything just how you like, it's time for the fun part, seeing your creation in action. Hit that play button up on the top right corner. Watch as each element animates in, transitions between slides, and the whole thing comes together. Don't worry if something feels off on your first try, it's totally normal. Just pause, tweak the sequence or timing, and preview again. Sometimes it takes a few rounds to get it just right. And there you have it. That's how you control the animation sequence in Canva, making your presentations not just informative but genuinely engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share your questions or experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.